Every single day, the same message floods your support inbox. Where's my order? And most chatbots just shrug and say, check your email, so the customer leaves annoyed. For one coffee brand, 60% of their tickets were one simple lookup away from solved. That's exactly what ChatData's AI actions fix. They turn your bot from something that answers into an agent that acts. It can call your API, book a meeting, or track an order, and it decides on its own when to do it. You'll find them in your chatbot settings under the AI Actions tab. Right out of the box, you get lead forms, link buttons, web search, order tracking, plus hundreds of connected apps. But the real power hides behind this one button, Create Custom Action, where the bot calls your own backend. And honestly, every action is just 3 moves. Set it up, tell it when to fire, then let the agent run. So let's build one for Aurora Coffee, a little roaster that's drowning in order questions. First up, give your action a name. Think of it as the function your agent gets to call, so keep it snappy, no spaces. Next comes the description, and honestly, this is the most important box on the screen because the description is the trigger. In plain English, you just tell the agent when to fire and how to call your API. Something like, hey, run this whenever someone asks where their order is. Then point it at your endpoint, a simple GET request to your order's API, with the order ID in curly braces. And check this out, ChatData spots those curly braces and builds the parameter for you, automatically. Now here's the part that trips everyone up. Your secret API key stays static, so the AI never even sees it. But the order ID? That one's dynamic. The agent grabs it straight from the conversation. And before you can save anything, you've got to prove it actually works, so hit test. A real request fires off, and boom, green check, live response. Hit save, and just like that, your agent has a brand new skill. Oh, and one more thing, good agents know when to tap out, so let's add a human handoff for the tricky cases. Okay, moment of truth. A customer pops in and asks where their order is. The agent picks up on what they want, grabs the order number from their message, and calls your API, no human involved. 2 seconds later, they've got the answer shipped, on the way, with live tracking. And if something genuinely weird happens, the fallback quietly hands them over to a real person. And this exact same recipe works for refunds, bookings, web search, documents, you name it, across hundreds of apps. So one little action just turned their biggest support headache into an instant, accurate answer. And that right there is the difference between a chatbot and an agent. So go open ChatData, head over to AI Actions, and give your bot its first real skill.